You might be having an issue where your mobile hotspot is just disconnecting from your iPhone. So what does this mean? Well, essentially, either you're trying to connect to a mobile hotspot from your iPhone, or more likely, you're trying to connect your mobile hotspot from your phone to a laptop, PC, whatever you're using. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is making sure on that specific laptop, PC, whatever you're trying to connect it to, all you want to do is make sure that that specific device, that Wi-Fi connection, is connected to this specific iPhone and is not auto-connecting to another device. So sometimes if you have like another phone, let's just say this was like another phone I was trying to connect to this one, this device would randomly connect to another Wi-Fi in its area because it finds it better. So that is probably the first thing I'd recommend doing. Making sure that other device's Wi-Fi that's connected to this hotspot, making sure this isn't randomly disconnected or randomly connected to another Wi-Fi. On top of that, you may just want to make sure that your specific device, the hotspot toggle isn't turned off or you're messing with it. So here, if you see that personal hotspot, you want to make sure this is on. If this is off, well then that probably explains why that's happening. Also, sometimes if your iPhone is randomly off, it may not work anymore either. So you may just want to, make sure your iPhone is on for at least the duration of the time. You want to make sure your iPhone is not turning off. And sometimes if your iPhone, if you click it into airplane mode, that can also turn off, hotspot as well. So make sure you're not interfering with it too much in that area. Other than that, you should be good to go for that area. Now, let's say it's still happening. You may just want to go and see if there's an update available for your iPhone. So what you can do here is go ahead and make your way over to your settings application. You're going to scroll down into general, which is right there. You then want to go and click up into software update. And when you're in this panel, it'll go ahead and basically tell you if there's an update available or not. Now, if there is an update, like I mentioned before, you need to update your phone. That is pretty much the most basic way to go ahead and fix this. However, if your phone is still not working and if it doesn't seem like it's working at all, well, then the next thing I recommend doing is restarting your phone or trying to set up your mobile hotspot once more from your phone to your other device and seeing if that ends up fixing it. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.